You've seen turbulence. You've spilled your tiny cup of coffee. But this is worse. When a giant jet takes off, it doesn't just leave exhaust, it leaves an invisible, high-speed monster trailing right behind it. A twin set of silent, deadly air tornadoes powerful enough to literally flip a small plane upside down. This killer is called wake turbulence, and every time a wing generates lift, it pays a deadly price. High-pressure air from beneath the wing curls violently around the wingtip to meet the low pressure above. This clash of physics creates two massive, rotating spirals of air that drop toward the ground at over 500 feet per minute. Imagine hitting that. You don't just shake, you are fighting a massive, swirling column of wind that can roll your aircraft past the point of no return. This is why air traffic control is obsessed with separation. That huge Boeing 747 in front of you creates vortices that are classified as heavy. If you're a smaller plane, you need up to 5 minutes of delay time. So, the next time your pilot stops the plane on the taxiway and you sit there impatiently wondering what's taking so long, it's not a queue for coffee. It's a precise, mandatory countdown. They are waiting for those gigantic, invisible death vortices to sink below your flight path or safely dissolve into the air. It's a safety rule born from terrifying physics. It's boring, yes, but it ensures that the sky remains predictable, even when there are invisible, self-destructing tornadoes lurking just a few hundred feet away. Follow for more secrets that keep you alive at 35,000 feet.